Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 12500 starting watt tri-fuel portable generator is a robust powerhouse designed to deliver reliable performance whenever and wherever you need it. Its versatility is one of its most significant features, capable of running on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, allowing for flexibility based on fuel availability and preferences. This tri-fuel capability ensures that you can always find a fuel source, making it an excellent choice for emergencies, camping, or job sites. One of the standout features is the electric start, which eliminates the hassle of manual recoil starting. With just the press of a button, the generator roars to life, making it user-friendly, especially for those who may be less physically able or are in high-stress situations during power outages. The 12,500 starting watts provide ample power to run essential appliances, tools, and even larger devices, ensuring that you can maintain comfort and productivity. The construction of the Generac generator is robust, boasting a heavy-duty frame that can withstand outdoor conditions. The wheels and handle provide excellent mobility, allowing you to move it easily to where it's needed. Its 7.5-gallon fuel tank is another plus, offering extended run times up to 11 hours at 50% load when using gasoline. This longevity is crucial during extended outages or when you're away from a reliable power source. Noise levels are respectable for a generator of this capacity, though it is advisable to place it a safe distance away from living areas to minimize sound disturbance. The control panel is intuitively designed, with clearly labeled outlets and circuit breakers, making it straightforward to hook up your devices. In summary, the Generac 12500 starting watt tri-fuel portable generator is an impressive unit that combines power and convenience. Its tri-fuel capability, electric start, and significant runtime make it a practical investment for anyone needing reliable power on demand. Whether for home backup or outdoor adventures, this generator proves itself as a dependable companion.